The scientific name of this plant is a Ficus microcarpa, but common name is Indian laurel, Chinese banyan, laurel fig, Malayan banyan. But other people said that this is a cortin fig. Yes, cortin fig was a Microcarpa is a fig tree originated in China. The cortin fig attract the fig wasp pollinator in some East Asian cultures. It is believed that the cortin fig is a meeting place for spirit. The tips from gardening choice is a plant of genus Ficus can be planted in a garden or maintained indoors. The Ficus microcarpa belongs to the fig family. Its fruit is shaped like a fig and it contains about 150 seeds, which means that a big tree may produce 10,000 fruits. Also, it is very invasive kind of plant, as leaves are similar to laurel trees and plants originated from India and plants called the Indian laurel. So if the leaves fall in winter, there is no need to worry. That is normal in other season. Leaf loss can be caused by following reason. 1. Long-term lack of sunlight will cause the leaves to fall. Number 2 is the pot not been replaced for a long time. Number 3, cortin fig prefers fertilized soil and slightly humid environment. So if you haven't fertilized water sufficiently, the plant will grow weak, leaves will turn yellow and fall. So ayun mga ka-jungle, napakaganda ang halaman na to kasi pwede mo siyang i-display sa inyong garden o sa inyong loob ng bahay. So pwede mo siyang i-trim or pwede mo siyang gawing bonsai dahil itong plant na to ay isang puno. So ayan mga ka-jungle, thank you for watching. This is our plant of the week, our Ficus microcarpa.